morning, guys. It's too early. It's 8:20, not 8:20. My car clock is wrong. It's 9:20, but I'm on my way to work right now. I work at the zoo, and I just do the gift shop and admissions. It's a fun job. I like it. I work 9:30 to 5:30 today, and then when I get off, I'm probably gonna want Zaxby's because I always crave Zaxby's, and I usually get it at least like once a week, like after class or something, but it's spring break, so I haven't gone yet. We might be taking a Zaxby's trip at some point. I'll try to vlog some like on my break a little bit and just show you guys how it's going. I am currently on break at the zoo. It's been kind of busy today. I need to turn this down. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm getting congested, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the pollen outside. Because it's spring, and I used to not have allergies, and now I do for some reason, which is like super unbit. But yeah, I'm on break. I'll either like go walk around the zoo if it's like not cold, but today it's cold, so I'm just gonna sit in my car and eat my snack. I usually bring a water and some snacks, and today I have a fruit roll up because I'm sick. This is the berry tie-dye crackers. These are the Cheetos munchies. I don't know what they are or whatever. Sometimes like I'll get food because they have a little restaurant in the zoo here, but sometimes it's just really crowded and I don't feel like sitting in there and waiting for my food. Most of the time I'll just bring my own food because it's faster. Look how clear this is. Look at it. Isn't that crazy? I love it. We just finished taking our pictures. Did you want to take another selfie? Yes. Okay. Thank you. You want to record while I take a selfie? Sure. We're going to take a selfie, everyone. Okay. Good morning. But it's not warm. But you're pretending anyways. It's so quality. I can see all my pimples. I got the big Zack snack meal per usual. Katie got celery. Celery and ranch. What? It was $1.38. Why? Yeah. And Samantha got a water and cheese sticks. Ew. Ew, it's leaking. I know, I'm still gonna eat it though. I got sunlight termites. Are those like cheese curds? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll trade you a celery. That's alright. Ew. That's not an even trade. Huh? That's not an even trade. I'll trade you a cheese stick for celery. Thank you, Samantha. Hi, Seth. Say hi to the internet. You look so tan.
I've been in the sun all weekend.
Cool.
It's a poodle plus a golden retriever. It's really cute.
Wait, a golden
Goodle.
Golden.
Why isn't it just a Google? I said Goodle. Not Google.
It's a web platform.
And then he started getting older. And then, why are you making crazy eyes at me?
Because it was about to fall. I was looking at this.
But follow.
Happy to help with any aid.
That is such a Samantha thing to do. I have to get it on my Snapchat story.